Hi again, Lover is here, and today's topic is Cloud Panel. How you can install Cloud Panel on your Linux computer, or on your newly bought VPS. Okay, this looks very horrifying because the terminal and all this stuff. The thing is, someone asked me to install the Cloud Panel without having to see these codes and the terminal window. So I am here with a new video which will describe steps to install Cloud Panel without having to see this terminal window. Okay, here we are. We are using Vultr.com for this, and they give very amazing server without downtime. Their servers are very great and 99.9% uptime guaranteed. If you want to use Vultr products, you can find a link in the description which will give you discount and bonus maybe. So without further delay, let's get started. When you click deploy, you will see a bunch of options which you have to choose from. I'm choosing shared CPU, which is cheap, and I need American territory. I'll choose Miami first, and now here I will choose one CPU and 2 GB RAM and 55 GB SSD disk space. I can choose this also, but it will cost me $2 just for this NVMe storage. Okay, now when you click configure, here you will be asked to what operating system do you want, but we don't have to choose from this. All we have to do is to we have to click marketplace apps, and here you just have to search Cloud Panel. Okay, we have two options here. First is Ubuntu and second is Debian. If you want Debian or OS for your machine, you can choose this. Or if you want to install Cloud Panel on Ubuntu, then you can choose from this. I am pretty comfortable with Ubuntu. I'll choose Ubuntu. Okay, here you have a few more options. Let's say here give this server host name, and then yeah, I don't need backups. I understand the risk. Okay, it was going to cost me $2 more here. That's why I disabled this. And now what you have to do is just deploy. You will now you see the server has been created, and you will be redirected to the installation window. Here you can see our location for the cloud panel. Ubuntu server is Miami, which we chose when setting up the server, and this is our server's host name, and the status is installing. When this is installed, you will see the hourly charges for the server here. When we created the server, it costed us $10 monthly, right? If you divide it by 30 and then again divide it by 24, the hourly rate will be around 1 cent. You see, two cents only. Now the server is saying I'm running, and our cloud panel has been installed on our server Ubuntu machine. Let's see. As you can see, when we clicked on this server, we found that currently it is being installed. Our server is still being installed. Most server actions will enable until this is completed. You see, we have a warning message here. So avoid accessing your cloud panel through this link here, so that everything is installed properly. Okay, when you copy this and paste it here, this is our IP address which you have to replace here. Yeah, that's how easy it is to install Cloud Panel using Vultr. I again recommend you use Vultr services. They are the best. Okay.
2 hours later.
So the warning message just changed here. It still says a few minutes for the activation. Anyways, you see what I like about Flutter, they give you instructions. Yeah, like after you created an instance, you can access cloud via this link. You see, and they say that when you are on this link, you will have this SSL warning message, which you have to choose proceed, and then you will be able to see the admin user creation for your cloud panel. You see how crazy this stuff is. Let's see if I can have if we can see this window, even though we are facing the error again. Let's see what we see in this console here, what they say. Anyways, let's go. So we have here our cloud panel link, and as they say, click on proceed to see the cloud panel admin user creation. Now we have the cloud panel again here. As you can see, now we have the cloud panel details. I will write my name here, user will be the lower, and password email will be my email, and then here we have the random password which I use. Okay, the time zone is Asia, Asia Karachi. Okay, now we are here. Finally, finally, our cloud panel has been installed. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, finally. You see, and on clicking the dashboard here, you will be able to see what operating system you are, what's the host name of your server, how many CPUs you have, 2 GB giga, and then here the store. Here's how it looks like. You can add your websites here by clicking the add site here and create any website you want. If you have a WordPress website, you can click on WordPress, PHP, Node.js, static HTML. Even you have this proxy, reverse proxy.